Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your USB-C port supports DisplayPort alternate mode. This determines video output capability. Once confirmed, plug a certified USB-C to digital AV adapter into your device. Use a short, high-quality cable to reduce handshake issues. Make sure the external display is powered and set to the correct input. If your device has settings for video output, open them now. Adjusting resolution or refresh rate early prevents flicker later. After connecting the adapter to the display and then to your device, wait a few seconds for the handshake. This is when the devices negotiate resolution and audio. If the image doesn't appear, restart the display or reconnect the adapter while the device is awake. Once detected, choose mirror, extend, or external-only modes in display settings and set resolution to a common standard like 1920 x 1080 or 3840 x 2160 at an appropriate refresh rate. These steps complete the setup by securing cables and positioning the adapter to avoid tension on ports. This prolongs adapter and device life. Then verify audio output routes to the external sink if needed and adjust volume within the device. Some systems require selecting the HDMI/display audio device explicitly. If you encounter no signal, try this quick fix. Unplug the adapter, reboot the source device, then reconnect. If that fails, swap to a different certified USB-C to
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.